Hi! In today's tutorial, we'll be getting to know what is Axure RP and an overview of its interface. So, what is Axure RP prototyping, which is commonly known as Axure RP? Well, it is a powerful design tool for highly interactive HTML prototypes for website, mobile devices, and desktop application projects. Axure RP gives users the ability to create prototypes and wireframes from any given idea they might have. It is also a design tool used to create and present deliverables of UX, which is users' experience. Axure RP can be used to create project research and design phase. Some deliverables of project research that can be created in Axure are 1. Personas. This can be used as a target user needs and pain points. 2. Sitemap. The sitemap is an overall architecture of the site. 3. Customer journey maps. This has to do with all the touch points, pain points, and opportunities your customer go through when using a service. Then lastly is the user workflow. This is a specific set of steps a user goes through to complete a task. While some deliverables of design phase that can be created in Axure are prototypes and wireframes. Axure is an amazing tool that is easy to learn and its interface is very easy to use. With that, let's take a close look and get an overview of how to go about it.
Hi, welcome to Axure RP interface. To get started, we need to know that Axure RP files are organized into pages, which can be managed in the page panel. So to add a page, all you need to do is to click on the Add Page button, which is the plus button that is here. So I'll just click it. Then I've added a page, and you can also name a page. So I'll name this one. You name the page any name of your choice. I want to use blue. Okay, so it's blue radio. Then next is you can add as many pages as you want. All you need to do is just click on the plus button here, then you add as many pages as you want. Then you can rename it by right clicking. Then you go to rename and then name it. I'll name this one black, and then I'll name the last one red. Then next is here, the white space that is shown in the center here, it's called the canvas or workspace. This is where all the design is done, and here you can work without boundaries, or you can set page dimension based on the target device you are designing for. So if you are designing for a website, you can set it on website and then it will give you the shape of your website. If you want to design for a phone, you set it like that. If you want to design for an iPhone or you want to design for Android, you can set it. So let's see. If you set it on a website, you get the shape of the website. But for instance, let me set mine on iPhone. So I'll set it on iPhone 12. So it has given me the shape of an iPhone. So next is the widget. You build your design using widget, and widgets are organized into libraries panel. Axure RP has given 4 widget library that is pre-installed. So they are default, flow, icons, and simple UI pattern. So to add a widget, all you need to do is to select and drag. So I'll just select a box, then drag it. I've added a widget. So we can style a widget. So we just come here to style, and then I want to change the color. So I'll come to fill, and then I can give it any color. I want to give it red, so it's red. Then in the widget, there's a search bar. You can search for anything you want. Once you know the name, you just search for it and it will come. So you can, let's say you want to add a heading, so you just type heading. So you come to the search bar and type heading, so it will come. And the type of heading 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, you just have to drag it here, and then you can increase the size of a heading, and you can decrease it, and it is bold. So you can do it regular. You can change the font. You can do whatever you want here. The font style. Then next, you can add paragraphs to it. Once you know, just type the name and then it will come. Then you add paragraph to it, and you can add, I'll just delete it. And you can also add image, whatever you want. Just type the name, then you get it. So you can add the image box. So that is it. Then next will be the interaction. So interaction determines the dynamic behavior of widgets and pages. By clicking a button to navigate to another page is an interaction. So for instance, this widget, I want to do a interaction that when you click this box, when you click the box, it will take you to the next page. So let me go to black, and then I will just drag a box, and then I'll just drag a box and try it for you to see. I'll color the box black. Okay, so let me come back to red. I want to do an interaction. Then whenever you want to do an interaction, make sure that you will select what you want to work like. For instance, I want the red box. When I click it, it should take me to the black box. So I have to select the red box. Then I'll go to interaction, then new interaction, then click or tap and open link. Then I will choose black because I want, when I click red, it should take me to black. And I will choose black. Then okay. So let me preview so we can see how it's working. Okay, so just click red. And then it works, guys. Then preview. The preview is there to see your finished work. When you preview it to see how beautiful your design is, and then if there is any mistake, you see it in a preview. Then when you do an interaction, you preview it to see if it works. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.